Today I want to give you a behind-the-scenes look at a motion I recently filed to have a spouse removed from the marital home. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Joshua Katz here. Today I want to give you a behind-the-scenes look at a motion I recently filed to have a spouse removed from the marital home. Sometimes when a spouse's behavior puts the family at risk, the court has to step in, and then I'll explain exactly how that works. But first, check out this short clip from the courthouse where I talk about the case.
Hey guys, welcome to the Queens County Supreme Court, my home away from home where I spend most of my daylight hours. I'm here today on a motion to try to get my client's husband kicked out of the marital residence. The husband has been drinking heavily and smoking a lot of marijuana and kind of been yelling, screaming, yelling at the children. I hope we have enough to get him kicked out. So come with me.
So what exactly is a motion to remove a spouse from the marital home? Simply put, it's a formal request made to the family court asking the judge to order one spouse to leave the shared residence. This motion is usually filed when one spouse's behavior creates an unsafe or unhealthy environment for the other spouse or the children. Examples include domestic violence, substance abuse, or disruptive conduct that threatens the safety or well-being of the family. This motion is often filed during a divorce or separation case when it's no longer safe or practical for the spouses to live together. The goal is to protect the spouse and children from harm or distress. If one spouse is endangering the family by drinking heavily, using drugs, or acting violently, filing this motion can provide immediate relief by having the court order that spouse to leave the home, sometimes temporarily, until the full case is resolved. To file this motion, your attorney will need to show the court evidence that supports the request to remove the spouse. This can include police reports, witness statements, medical or therapy records, and any proof of substance abuse or violent behavior. The court carefully weighs this evidence to decide if removal is necessary and in the best interests of everyone involved, especially the children. Keep in mind, the court takes these motions seriously because it is a big step to remove someone from their home. Strong, clear evidence is critical. Here's a quick overview of the process. 1. Your lawyer drafts the motion explaining the reasons for removal and includes all supporting facts and evidence. 2. The motion is filed with the court and a copy is formally served to the other spouse. 3. A court date is scheduled for a hearing where both parties can present their case. 4. At the hearing, you explain your concerns and the other spouse gets to respond. 5. After hearing both sides, the judge decides whether to grant the motion, which may include ordering the spouse to leave the marital home. Once the motion is filed, several outcomes are possible. The judge may grant the motion, requiring the spouse to move out immediately or by a certain deadline. The judge may issue conditions such as supervised visitation or restraining orders to protect the family. The motion could be denied if the court doesn't find enough evidence. If granted, the order is legally binding. Violating it can result in serious consequences, including contempt of court. Typically, these orders are temporary, pending the final decisions in your divorce or custody case. If you believe you need to file a motion to remove a spouse, here's some advice. Work closely with an experienced family law attorney. These cases can be complicated and require careful handling. Document everything, incidents, threats, substance use, and any steps you've taken to protect yourself and your children. If you or your children are in immediate danger, always call the police or seek emergency help first. I've got so much more to share about cases like this, but I want to hear from you. What questions do you have? What's on your mind when it comes to family law or custody battles? Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll make sure to cover them in future videos. If you found this helpful, please hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more real talk about family law. And don't forget to share this with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.